In this series, we're going to build a course template from scratch and schedule training automatically. To start off with our scheduling series, we'll create a brand new category for our product. This category is what you'll select during scheduling to reference the training template we're going to create. Once we have a category, we'll create a new product. Apart from the name, there are two crucial property fields to fill in when creating a product: status and valid from. When you're first creating a product draft, the status will be unpublished. If a product is being replaced with a newer version, you can keep it as archived. You'll be able to review the old product revision without the system referencing it during scheduling. Once a product is ready to be used, you'll set it to published. Next, set the date where the product revision starts to be valid. Only published products with a valid from date in the past, relative to the start date of the training, will be used by the system. Let's move on to designing our training template on the Product Design tab. Before we start creating events, let's note the toolbar where you can find many shortcuts and important settings. For more information on the toolbar, see the Upgrade Your Scheduling Skills video. Next, press the New Event button, and we'll fill in the necessary properties. This will be a Day 1 event that begins at 8:30 a.m. Days and times might change during scheduling depending on resource availability. By copying and creating new events from scratch, we'll fill in the rest of our template with events. To learn about course roles, role eligibility, and associating forms with events, move on to Scheduling Part 2.